cruisers, welcome back to Cruising as Crew. Today is my last day on Virgin Voyages. Oh my god, I've got loads to do. I have got loads to do. I was going to wake up really early, get it all done, and it is now 11:30 and I've just woken up. So yeah, I'm a little bit stressy because I've got so much to do. But also I'm just very like out of it, if that makes sense. Like I'm not really with it. I mean, that could be because I've just woke up, but I think it's because I know that it's my last day on Virgin, which is just weird. But anyway, yesterday was a sea day and I had my sign-off meeting and I got my sign-off sheet. So I have to hand in my crew device. So this is like every crew member on Virgin has a crew device. It is how waiters take orders. It's how retail staff charge. I have to go for luggage inspections this evening. I hand back my safety card. I have to close my account with payroll. I have to make sure my cabin's clean for the next person coming in. Oh my god! I am in absolutely no rush to pack. But anyway, I'm not with it. So I'm going to go and get a coffee and I'm going to go and put some laundry on. Just so I don't have to do a load when I get home. Oh. I'm just going to go back to bed actually. I just don't feel like today. If only.
I always give away too much. It's like I've got no sense of touch. I'm always pouring out my heart, no little by little here. I'm always pushing things too far. 2, 5, 6, 10 drinks at the bar. No boundaries, I get too close. No little by little here. 'Cause I give my all.
Okay, so this is where we're at. It is still an absolute mess. But it is 1 o'clock in the afternoon and I am absolutely ravenous. So we're going to go and get some food.
I always run and hit the wall. I'd rather jump and risk the fall. I see no limits in the sky. No little by little here. No, got stuck on working on myself. Thought I was wrong and needed help. But I'm just different, something else. No little by little here.
Right, so I've finished packing. So now I'm gonna take my uniform back, which I've put all in this bag. Hi, how you doing? Yeah, good, thank you. Okay, so I've got my first signature. So now I think we will do the safety card. So to take back your safety card, I have to go to the safety office, which is by the bridge. So let's see. Oh, safety office. Oh, hello again.
You're going home?
Yeah, I'm going home. Okay, second signature done. And now I need to close my account. Hi, can I close my account, please? Alright, so I got my third signature as well as a statement of what I've spent while on board. I am all packed and I've got all of the signatures I can get. I've just got to get my crew device when I hand that in after work, the luggage inspection later. Anyway, it is time to get ready for work. So I'm going to get changed. I'm not going to put any makeup on because I have packed it all didn't really think anything through because I'm in such a daze. I've packed all of my socks. I've got no socks to travel in tomorrow or to go to work in. I told you I was in a daze. I'm like not with it at all. Right, let's go to work.
You put your hands to the sky, center of the crowd, you're the talk of the town. And I tell myself I don't want that, what glitters isn't gold. I tell myself I don't need it, cause I'm fine on my own. But I hate being on the outside, looking through a window. I say I don't want it, but I'm so full of it. I wanna be the life of the party. I wanna dance with somebody. Be ooh. I wanna be the life of the party. I wanna hold on to somebody. Be ooh. Living your life through a lens, perfect pretending. You think no one can tell, but everything's just fake. Now you're becoming the person you once hated. You also used to say that. I tell myself I don't want that, what glitters isn't gold. I tell myself I don't need.
I'm in such a weird mood. Knowing it's the last time that I will ever be in this shop that I helped to set up. It's the last time! Oh my god! Yes. Oh, Grace, that's cool. Any last words for me?
I hope I never have to see you again.
Okay, well that's... So weird because there's people that I've known for like 3 years that I'm not gonna see again for a very long time. And look, they bought me snacks for the flight. Yay! 11 p.m. Feeling very weird. Very weird. But anyway, I'm full. I'm tired. It is just gone 12 o'clock, so I'm gonna go to bed. I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Good morning, guys. I'm going home again. It feels like it's come around really soon. Yeah, so got up, showered, I've got dressed, I've just packed the last of my things. So I am not getting off till 11 o'clock and it has just turned 10 o'clock because my flight is later on today. So I'm just gonna go to the mess, have a coffee, chill out, because I'm supposed to be out of the cabin by 8 and like I said, it's just gone 10 because I'm not going to stress myself out when no one was going to come anyway. So yeah, vacate the cabin now, go and chill in the mess, and then they'll come and pick us up at 11 when they are ready for us to do immigration.
Yeah. Baby, you my only number one, got it. Even in my down times, I can't get you out of my mind, sorry. Hey, I done run 1,000 days just to find you in my way. Oh, 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 oh. Nothing like you in this world. Promise never let it go. Oh, wait. Oh, 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 oh. Baby, won't you calm down? Wanna know how you feel about you and me? Them they do too much, but you in control. Loving that about you. Me, I want it all.
Take care.
Body they hard, oh. Leading out follow. Me que la tenga poco legio. Yo nu de pe matento untio. I wanna be wherever you go. Me que la tenga poco legio. Yo nu de pe matento untio. You got my heart and I think you know.
I don't have any words.
And I done run 1,000 days just to find you in my way. Oh, 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 oh. Nothing like you in this world. Promise never let it go. Oh, wait. Oh, 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 oh. Baby, you my only #1 gotti. Even in my down times, I can't get you out of my heart, sorry. Yeah, searching away. Yeah, running around every town trying to find you. Yeah, all I ever want was for you to say I do. Me que la tenga poco legio. Yo nu de pe matento untio. I wanna be wherever you go.
You know what, the more I watch people struggle with like 2 4-wheel cases and then case carry-on, the more I am glad that I have my backpack, because no one's got time for that. I mean, this girl's got 4 suitcases. So it's still not feeling real. Yeah, it just hasn't set in yet. But I'm sure it will over the next few days, and I'll probably have a bit of a cry. Or maybe not, maybe I'm all cried out. Well, that's promising. I'm flying with Delta, so it's nice to see that it's just there.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive.
Okay guys, so I have made it back to the UK. I'm now just waiting for my bags to arrive, so I'm going to end the vlog here because now I'm just going to go home, and I'll make another video in a few days just giving you an update on everything. But yeah, thank you for watching. If you've made it this far, I really appreciate it, because I don't know how exciting this last part of the vlog has been, but anyway, I do appreciate it, and yeah, I love you loads, and I'll see you in the next video, and I'm happy to be home. Bye guys.